After incorporating your private limited company, registering as an MSME can unlock numerous government benefits. Let's explore how MSME registration can give your business a competitive advantage. What is MSME, Udyam, registration? MSME or Udyam registration is an official government recognition that classifies your business as a micro, small, or medium enterprise. This digital certificate acknowledges your company's status in the MSME sector, opening doors to special programs designed to support smaller businesses. Classification criteria. Companies are classified based on investment in plant machinery/equipment and annual turnover. Micro, investment up to 1 crore and turnover up to 5 crore. Small, investment up to 10 crore and turnover up to 50 crore. Medium, investment up to 50 crore and turnover up to 250 crore. Key benefits of MSME registration. Registering your private limited company as an MSME provides substantial advantages. Priority access to bank loans at lower interest rates. Eligibility for various government subsidies and schemes. Protection against delayed payments from large enterprises. Preference in government tenders and procurement. Reduced electricity bills in many states. Reduced fee for patent and trademark filing. Tax benefits and reduced compliance burden. When to register. Unlike some post-incorporation compliances, MSME registration has no strict deadline. You can register anytime after your company is incorporated. However, registering early allows you to access benefits from the start of your business journey. Registration process. The Udyam registration process is entirely online and free of cost. Application on the official Udyam registration portal. Submission of basic details like Aadhaar, PAN, and company information. Self-declaration of investment and turnover details. No document uploads required during initial registration. Instant certificate generation upon completion. Documentation required. To complete your MSME registration, you'll need company PAN card, Aadhaar card of the authorized person, business activity details including NIC codes, bank account information, basic investment and turnover details, GST registration number, if applicable. How SETINDIABIZ can help. Our MSME registration service includes determining the right classification for your business, handling the complete online application process, ensuring accurate NIC code selection, securing your Udyam registration certificate, guidance on maximizing MSME benefits, post-registration compliance assistance. Don't miss out on valuable government benefits for your new company. Contact SETINDIABIZ today to secure your MSME registration and give your business the competitive edge it deserves.